April was a roller coaster of adrenaline, laughter, learning, and unforgettable moments, and this montage is your front row seat to it all. The reel opens with an electric burst of visuals, a drone shot soaring over a cliffside campsite at dawn, morning mist swirling around tents and sleepy smiles. The first frame freezes and the word April smashes onto the screen with a boom, backed by energetic music. Cue quick-cut flashes of early morning hikes, boots crunching on gravel, hands gripping trekking poles, laughter echoing in the hills. Transition to the next scene, a cliff-jumping adventure, where each frame freezes mid-air to showcase a mix of courage and chaos. Slow motion captures water droplets sparkling mid-leap before the splash, followed by joyous high-fives and soggy sneakers drying by a fire. Fast forward to our food escapades, street food trails that led us through masala-laced chaat corners, hidden momo stalls in alleyways, and a surprise biryani truck that became a crowd favorite. A rapid zoom in on spicy bites, overloaded plates, and wide-eyed reactions gives this segment its own spicy rhythm. Then comes the cycling sprint down forest trails, sunlight flashing between tree trunks as riders pedal with intensity, action cams capturing both spills and spectacular saves. The pace changes as the screen fades into the calm of nature walks, featuring close-ups of blooming wildflowers, chirping birds, and journals filled with sketches and scribbled thoughts. Cut to the wild laughter of group games in open fields, frisbee throws, DIY obstacle course attempts, water balloon ambushes, and a surprise moment when a squirrel stole someone's sandwich, now immortalized in a meme-worthy slow-mo replay. Next, our tech meets nature moment, where everyone was challenged to unplug for a day. A montage of people tossing their phones into digital detox jars, followed by scenes of real-time bonding, singing around the campfire, painting by the river, doing yoga under the sunset sky. Then a sharp edit jumps to our nighttime escapades,